everybody's questions will be able to be answered.
Do you think AI makes the kids lazier, or do you think we can still encourage kids to use AI to get better education, to get creative? What do you think?
We're educating kids for jobs that haven't been created yet. And so imagine them being able to be empowered to create things that we haven't thought about. Imagine being able to, I don't even know if this works yet, to be able to write a story based on a picture they've drawn.
Yeah.
You know, imagine all of that to be able to do for kids, I think is gonna be a game changer. I don't think it's gonna make students lazy. I can speak for myself as a doctoral student. For me to be able to go to chat with things I don't understand, especially when I'm looking at things that have to do with research or things that have to do with statistics, I've honestly been able to go into chat, put things in there, and it explains it in a way that I understand. So it's not doing the writing for me, but I can ask it questions so I can do my own writing. So I think from both perspectives, from me being a student myself, but also being able to see all of the things, the potential, especially for young children, just think it's gonna be amazing. No laziness there. I think it's just gonna enhance those things that we haven't been able to do and that teachers have not been able to do for students.